guys. Max is playing. He's walking around exploring. But this teeny bird with that's his cage. That is his cage. And that is him. Oh, he looks like he likes to eat carpet. He likes to eat carpets. Don't you, Max? He loves to eat carpets. He bites everything he likes to eat. He's a fat bird. I'm trying to. I'm gonna come over here and get a Skittle. He's so cute, isn't he? He's very cute. No, don't touch that. Don't touch that. That's gonna hurt you. I feel like everyone should have a pet bird. Especially cocktails or cockatoo. Kiss. He sent me a kiss. I taught him how to kiss. I'm like, he's a little dentist. When I open my mouth and give it to him, he just bites my teeth like a little dentist. He's like, oh, what's this? It's big. He's like, ooh, 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 oh my God. No, not this, Max, not this. This is Gwen. Really, it's my Max. But since he's my baby, I wanted him to hear my baby. No, not this. No, not that. I'm gonna get something to drink. No juice. I'm gonna try to open up this refrigerator. Don't come for Maxy. You'd be I don't know what to say. Oh no, not in the copies. Wait, what? What was it? Oh no, that's it. Can we turn this around? Put it here so Max can be filmed. Sorry if you can't see him. He's like so exploring. He's like, I'm a brave adventurer. That's how he said. He's like, I'm a brave adventurer that's going to navigate the North Pole. Max, no, not in the North Pole. It's too cold. Oh, sorry. You can't get my juice out. Oh, you know what it is. You can't get it out. Okay, here's my little brave adventurer again. Here's my little brave adventurer. My little brave adventurer going on a mission on a deserted island that's cold. And now he's coming up to the ice cube. Okay. He's like blowing the show with his cuteness. Oh my gosh. Look at this amazing boy. You're cute. I mean, is there any other bird that's as cute as he is? He's like a little brave adventurer that's also a dentist. So if I find someone that has a hurt tooth out here, I can help them. He's like, oh, coming up on a big moving eye thing. He's so... No, not in there. not in there. He's like, okay, if I say not in there, and now he's a good listening. If I tell him you're not coming there or there, because he can't come there, or there because he'll listen. He knows not to. He knows to be a good bird. But Max, pause. Stay. Pause. Bad bird. Bad bird. Bad bird. What does it? You can bite me. This is his marks. I'm sorry you can't see. But if you can, this is his birdie marks. I can see them. Well, it's my finger a little pink. That's not to worry. Max, no biting. He knows not to bite. He knows not to bite this. Grab his jacket. He is stuck. He is stuck in there. No. Fine, go. Get out. I love playing with my bird. He's cute. I think everyone should have one bird. Because this bird here is so cute. Peace and have a good day.